With handcrafted finds, comforting meals from local restaurants, weekend festivals, and that unmistakable country feel, there's no wonder why Middlefield is beloved by so many. Now, you can live in this charming town without having to settle for an outdated resale home. Welcome to Heritage Pointe in the Cardinal School District. Here you can own a new 2-story or ranch home in a beautiful, inviting community where taxes are low and everyday conveniences are close by. Stepping into your brand new home, you'll find an open, flowing space that seamlessly combines your kitchen, dining, and living area. Love hosting friends and family? Your kitchen island provides plenty of extra seating. Add even more space with a rear covered porch. With 2 to 5 bedrooms, options for lofts and flex rooms, and available finished basements, you'll have no problem finding a floor plan that fits your lifestyle. Whether you need a home office, extra guest rooms, or a dedicated place to organize your crafting supplies, your new home has more than enough space for everything and everyone. Daily routines are made simple with your private owner's bathroom featuring a walk-in shower and dual vanities. Your walk-in closet provides plenty of space to spread out your wardrobe, and your laundry room is just a few steps away. As you pull into this quiet neighborhood each day, you'll be greeted by scenic pond views, lush yards, and open space. When it comes to getting around, Heritage Pointe keeps daily life convenient with access to nearby commuter routes like 322, 422, and 44. Grocery runs are a breeze with stores like Giant Eagle and Aldi just minutes from your door. Spend a day exploring locally owned shops. When you're not in the mood to cook but still want that home-cooked flavor, popular restaurants like the Dutch Country Restaurant and Blazin' Bill's have you covered. Want to know how you can take advantage of the best possible price and get to select your favorite home site at Heritage Pointe? Join the interest list. By joining the list, you will receive information on floor plans, updates, and invites for appointments that we don't share with the general public. More importantly, Heritage Pointe will open exclusively to you before anyone else. You'll get to schedule your one-on-one appointment, which will allow you to finally see the community for yourself and learn more about it. So join our interest list today. Your future self will thank you.